Hey guys, it's a sad day. Isn't it Tommy behind the camera?
Oh, I'm just devastated.
Yeah, he's really devastated because we're selling Tweety, your favorite car. And the owner is here, or the new owner. This is Shinji, right?
Yes.
Shinji from Denver. So, Shinji, why did you decide to get a smart electric car?
Oh, I've had a Spark EV for like 2 years, and I love electric cars. I also really love quirky cars. And when I saw that this was for sale, I just had to do it.
Yeah, it's about as quirky as it gets. So, first of all, tell me about the Spark EV. What's that like?
It's really fun and fast.
Yeah?
I would say it's a little more on the practical side versus this, and it's a little more of the standard car, I guess. But that really got me into electric cars in general. And once I had a taste, I just had to try other cars.
So, what are you going to do with this? Is it going to be your daily driver? Is this going to be something that you have for the weekends? What's the plan?
I think I'm hoping for a daily.
Yeah?
You know, I also have a 2013 Highlander and a 95 Nissan Harbardi.
I saw that. Yeah, it's over there. It's hiding back there. It's pretty badass.
And I really wanted something a little more compact and small and fun, and I think this is just perfect for that.
So can I give you some homework?
Sure.
When Bandimere opens again, take it to Bandimere and run. go drag race it. I'm really curious to see what the quarter mile time on that is now that we've tuned it. You know, the cool thing about this smart car, and Tommy, why don't you come and walk around and kind of tell them what we found out about it recently?
Yeah. So I've got a buddy in Germany named Morris. He runs EQ Passion, which is like the leading source for smart electric, basically smart electric enthusiasts. And he was telling me that there's a couple interesting things. First of all, the yellow, I guess, is a stupid rare color. It's just, they didn't build many of them and they're super, super hard to find in yellow. And second of all, I guess this one also has a cooled battery pack as well. So it's got a couple options that were typically found on the European cars with AC 22 kilowatt capability, but somehow it made it to the US in this one as well. So it's kind of a rare little guy, and now I'm even more bummed. Thanks, Dad. That was awesome.
Well, but at least you know you've got a good battery pack.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm glad it's going to like an enthusiast too. You know, someone who knows electric cars and you know knows the life of what it's like to live with them.
Actually, I'm gonna alter your homework. Okay.
Okay.
Now that you got the Spark EV, you got you and your brother over there. You got to take both of them to Bandimere. All right. And guys, let us know what you think. Which one will be faster? Will it be the tuned Smart or will it be the untuned Spark? And keep in mind, those Sparks were wicked fast because they had like close to 400 pound-foot of torque, right?
Something like that. Yeah,
Mhm.
but they were front-wheel drive.
Yeah, so you know you've got a little bit. You can put the power down a little better, and if you do that, okay, if you actually go to Bandimere and drag race them, like shoot it, and we'll put it up there.
Oh, I
Yeah,
will do that.
You promise?
100%.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, thank you for buying it. Thank you for giving Tweety a new home, and I hope you enjoy it, and go drag race some unsuspecting ice cars.
Definitely.
All right, guys. Just a quick update as to Tweety's new home. See you guys next time. Ciao.
Bye, Tweety.
Bye, Tweety.
Be good, buddy.